Welcome to Gadgets on a Budget, your guide to budget-friendly gadgets. Whether you're just starting your journey as a mechanic, or you're a car enthusiast looking to build your toolkit, having the right tools is key to making every job easier and more efficient. Today, we're diving into some of the best tools every budget-minded mechanic should have. Let's get into it. Kicking things off is the Craftsman VERSASTACK Mechanics tool set. This all-in-one mechanics set comes with everything you need, from sockets to wrenches and specialty bits. What makes this set stand out is the low-profile ratchet, which has a head that's up to 25% thinner, perfect for those tight spaces. It also features a 72-tooth ratchet that allows a 5-degree arc swing, giving you the precision to work in confined areas. The set is stored in a durable 3-drawer box, and you can open and lock the drawers with just one hand, thanks to the spring-loaded dial. Plus, it's compatible with the VERSASTACK storage system, so you can customize it to fit your needs. Now, if you need some serious power, check out the Robustrue cordless impact wrench with a massive 406 foot-pounds of torque. This tool is perfect for tackling stubborn bolts or heavy-duty projects. It features a brushless motor for longer-lasting performance, and it comes with 3 adjustable speed settings, giving you control over torque and speed for different tasks. At only 3.74 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, even for extended periods. Plus, the built-in LED light ensures you can see what you're working on, even in dark, tight spots. This wrench also comes with 2 4.0 ampere-hour batteries, so you're always powered up. Pair the impact wrench with the Sedy 29-piece, half-inch drive SAE and metric impact socket set, which is perfect for automotive repairs, heavy equipment, and even home DIY projects. Crafted from CRV material with a black phosphate finish, these sockets are built to last. With both SIE and metric sizes included, you'll be prepared for any job. The sockets are precision engineered, with chamfered ends for greater torque, and the laser markings make it easy to identify the size you need. This set also comes with extension bars in 3, 5, and 10-inch lengths for those hard-to-reach places. And with its durable plastic pack-out case, everything stays organized and easy to transport. Next is the HORUSDY 12-piece metric flex head ratcheting wrench set, made from high-strength chrome vanadium steel. These wrenches are designed to last. The flex head design allows a full 180-degree rotation, letting you work in tight or awkward spaces effortlessly. The 72-tooth ratchet mechanism needs only a 5-degree swing arc to move to the next tooth, making it perfect for precision work. Each wrench is nickel-plated for durability, and the longer wrench lengths give you more leverage for stubborn bolts. It also comes with a storage rack, keeping everything organized. The Lexivon tamper-proof Torx bit socket set is essential for working with tamper-proof screws, commonly found in cars and electronics. This 13-piece set is made from heat-treated S2 alloy steel for superior hardness and torque. The sockets are crafted from chrome vanadium steel, offering excellent turning power and wear resistance. With a fully polished chrome-plated finish, they're rust and corrosion resistant. The precision chamfered bit ends ensures smooth insertion without stripping fasteners, and the set comes in a sturdy case with size markings for quick identification. Next, we have the Neko half-inch drive, 24-inch breaker bar. With a 24-inch handle, this breaker bar gives you the extra leverage needed to loosen those tough, stuck bolts. The head is made from chrome moly steel for added durability, and it flexes 180 degrees to help you work in tight spaces. Its spring-loaded ball bearing system ensures that sockets stay securely in place while you work. Whether you're working on your car or handling a heavy-duty task, this tool is all about delivering power and control. The WorkPro 7-piece pliers is a versatile addition to any toolkit. Made from drop-forged polished steel, these pliers are heat-treated for maximum durability. The set includes pliers for cutting, gripping, and bending, making it great for all sorts of automotive and DIY tasks. The hardened cutting edges ensure long-lasting performance, and the double-dipped handles provide a secure, non-slip grip, perfect for beginner mechanics or hobbyists. This set covers all the basics. Finally, we have the E-Tool Lab half-inch drive click torque wrench, a must-have for any mechanic. This torque wrench is made from military-grade steel, ensuring durability and precision. The dual-scale design makes it easy to read in both metric and imperial units, even in bright sunlight. With an accuracy of plus or minus 3%, you can confidently use this wrench for tasks that require precise torque. Plus, it features a loud click sound when the preset torque is reached, so you know when to stop applying force, preventing over-tightening and damage to your components. So, there you have it. Some of the best tools for beginner mechanics and car enthusiasts. Whether you're looking for power, precision, or versatility, these tools have got you covered. Want to know more about these gadgets and where to get them? Check the links in the description below for more details and the best deals. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips on buying gadgets on a budget.